Hello friends, today we are going to discuss matrix organization. This is the third and last topic of organization. Matrix organization, it is used only mainly in the management of large projects or product development process. Drawing employees from different functional discipline for assignment to team without removing them from their respective positions. So matrix organization, it is the just like a organization structure in which uh, the team members or the what we can say the worker which is to be hired from the other projects for complete their work, but they are not without removing from their respective positions. Matrix organization is a type of organizational management in which people with similar skills are pooled for work assignment. The matrix structure combines both the functional and projectized structure. So, matrix organization, it is nothing but hierarchical structure or which is the structure of functional organization. What we can say that combination or combination of functional organization and projectized organization. Each team member has two bosses. They report both to the manager and project manager. Exactly. In functional organization, there is a functional manager is available. In projectized organization, the project manager is available. In a matrix organization, every team member has to report to both bosses, functional manager also and to the project manager also. If the matrix is strong, the power resides more with the project manager. If the matrix is weak, the power resides more with the functional manager. The key is to find a balance in which the power is shared equally. Because of its complexity, this type of structure can lead to a problem if it is not used carefully and properly. Exactly. The complexity is to be more in a matrix organization. So, there may be chances that our project or not to be completed on time and within the budget of the customer, so that may be complicated for organization. The good communication is essential for success of the project. The advantages of matrix success are: advantage to the matrix structure lies in the efficient use of resources because of ease of access. This structure also demonstrates efficient communication both vertically and horizontally. Because of this, once the project have ended, the team members are likely to receive a job elsewhere in the organization. The advantages of matrix include: individuals can be chosen according to the need of the project. The use of project team which is dynamic and able to view problems in different way. Specialists have been brought together in a new environment. Project managers are directly responsible for completing the project within the specific deadline and budget. It is required resources can be managed moving into out of the project team. Project cost is less because resources are used is needed. There are an appropriate focus on the project objective through a single project management. The overall enterprise utilization resource is better handled in the mode. Exactly, these are the few advantages of matrix structure. Uh, the disadvantages are: a disadvantage of the matrix structure is complexity. Exactly, which we already discussed earlier. Complexity due to this that uh, due to that complex structure or complex organization, project might be completed on time. For example, if the project manager and the project manager do not communicate well, the team members can be caught in the middle, causing confusion. Exactly. The disadvantages include a conflict of loyalty between the line managers and the project manager over the allocation of resources. Project can be difficult to monitor if the team have a lot of independence. Cost can be increased if more managers, that is project managers, are created through the use of project teams. These are the few disadvantages of matrix organization. Matrix problems are: unclear line of authority, two bosses, dual reporting. No man can serve two masters. Military principles of unity of command. Confusion more common. Often project manager tell you to what to do, but your results come from the function manager. Success is highly dependent on individuals. This is the organization influence and project life cycle for uh, matrix organization. Team members do project work and departmental work, and this is the structure of strong matrix, balanced matrix, and weak matrix. At x-axis we discuss that the power of function managers and power of managers, and y-axis we have x power. Okay, this is for matrix organization. Thank you.